Welcome to amazing San Diego, California, a breathtaking expanse where the Pacific Ocean meets miles of stunning beaches, diverse communities, and a tapestry of culture and history. Join us as we soar above this Southern Californian jewel, unveiling its allure from the skies. Known as the birthplace of California, San Diego is celebrated for its idyllic climate, world-renowned attractions, and laid-back lifestyle. But there's more to this county than just its surf and sun. San Diego's story began long before it became a sun-seeker's paradise. Home to the Kumeyaay people for thousands of years, it was where Europeans first set foot on the West Coast. The establishment of the first mission in California marked the beginning of a new era, weaving a rich history that shaped the region into the vibrant mosaic it is today. Whether it's exploring the vastness of Balboa Park, getting up close with marine life at SeaWorld, or hiking the trails of Torrey Pines, there's no shortage of experiences to fuel your spirit of adventure. But what truly sets San Diego apart are its landmarks. From the enchanting La Jolla Cove to the historic USS Midway Museum, these sites tell the story of a county that's as diverse in its offerings as its landscape. And as night falls, the Gaslamp Quarter comes alive, offering a glimpse into the city's vibrant nightlife. San Diego's allure isn't just in its activities or its history. Did you know that the city is home to over 70 miles of coastline, offering some of the most stunning sunsets in the world? Or that it hosts the annual migration of the majestic gray whale, a spectacle that draws visitors from across the globe? San Diego County is a place of endless discovery, where every visit reveals something new. From its weather-perfect beaches to its rich cultural tapestry, it's a destination that invites exploration, relaxation, and awe, where amidst the vast skies and rolling waves, you'll find not just a getaway, but a journey. Please see description for more related information and affiliate and product links. And join us next time as we continue our journey across Southern California, uncovering the hidden gems and celebrated landmarks that make this region unforgettable.